Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best cheap rowing machines available on the market. These machines are perfect for those of you who want to get fit without breaking the bank. We've gone through the specs, tested the performance, and analyzed every detail so you can make the best choice for your home gym. All product links are in the description below, so check them out if you're interested. Let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Rowing Machine, model SFR W5606. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $105.99. If you're looking for an affordable and compact solution to get started with rowing, this might be the one for you. This machine features a dual-directional elastic cord resistance system with 4 adjustable tension levels, making it great for beginners or those who prefer lighter workouts. It also comes with a large LCD display that tracks key metrics like time, count, calories burned, and more. The oversized angled seat and large anti-slip foot pedals enhance comfort and safety during your session. Plus, it's foldable, making it a great choice for small spaces. However, the max weight capacity is limited to 220 pounds, and the resistance levels may not satisfy advanced users looking for a more intense workout. Still, the SunnyFit app adds value with free trainer-led workouts and scenic tours. Overall, it's a solid pick for casual users or those just starting out their fitness journey. Pros include its lightweight design, affordability, and easy storage, while cons are the lower weight limit and limited resistance levels. Coming in at number 4 is the Masafi Magnetic Rower Machine, priced at $121.91. This rowing machine strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, offering a step up in resistance and build quality compared to our previous entry. The standout feature here is its customizable multi-level magnetic resistance, which allows you to fine-tune your workout intensity to suit your fitness level. It's designed to engage over 80% of your muscle groups, combining cardio and strength training for a full-body workout. The machine is built for users up to 265 pounds, with a sturdy aluminum frame that ensures stability. The ergonomic seat, EVA handle, and adjustable footrests enhance user comfort, while the compact and foldable design makes it easy to store after use. That said, the Masafi rower does have its limitations. The hydraulic mechanism, while effective, may not provide the smoothest resistance compared to its magnetic and air-based counterparts. Additionally, its LCD monitor is fairly basic, offering limited tracking features. This machine is ideal for beginners and intermediate users looking for a reliable, space-saving option. Pros include its sturdy build, adjustable resistance, and portability. Cons are the basic display and slightly noisier operation. At number 3, we have the Merrick Magnetic Rowing Machine. While the price wasn't listed at the time of this review, it's clear that this model offers excellent value for its features and build quality. This is a step up for users looking for a heavy-duty machine that doesn't compromise on performance. The Merrick rower impresses with its 16 levels of magnetic resistance, which provide a smooth and whisper-quiet rowing experience. It's built with a dual-slide rail system, offering enhanced stability for users up to 350 pounds. The Merrick app compatibility is another highlight, allowing you to track detailed fitness metrics and even access virtual rowing courses. The foldable design and built-in wheels make it easy to store, while the machine's durable alloy steel frame ensures it can handle intense workouts. On the downside, while the app integration is a great feature, it requires a compatible device, and you'll need to bring your own tablet or phone as it's not included. Additionally, the machine is on the heavier side, which might make assembly a bit challenging. Overall, this rower is perfect for intermediate to advanced users who want a stable, feature-rich option. Pros include the high weight capacity, app compatibility, and smooth operation. Cons are the heavier build and reliance on external devices for app usage. A runner-up is the Waipu Magnetic Rowing Machine, a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-capacity, versatile rower. With a price that wasn't specified, this machine still stands out for its premium features and exceptional build quality. The Waipu rower offers 16 levels of silent magnetic resistance, suitable for everyone from beginners to seasoned athletes. It's designed with a 46-inch dual slide rail and can support users up to 350 pounds. What sets it apart is its 6.5% incline design, which simulates an uphill rowing experience for an added challenge. The integrated LCD monitor tracks time, distance, calories, and more. And app compatibility with Waipu Fit and KinoMap takes your workouts to the next level with guided sessions and virtual courses. Plus, it's compact and foldable, making it a great fit for small spaces. While the Waipu machine is packed with features, its incline design might not suit users who prefer a flat rowing experience. Additionally, the app integration, while innovative, requires additional setup and a compatible device. This rowing machine is ideal for users who want a challenging, full-body workout and appreciate modern tech features. Pros include the incline design, app support, and high weight capacity. Cons are the steeper learning curve and reliance on external devices. Finally, at the top spot, we have the HiFast 4-in-1 rowing and ab machine, priced at $149.89. This machine offers the most versatility and premium build quality in this price range, making it our best overall choice. What sets the HiFast rower apart is its multifunctional design. It combines a traditional rowing mode with ab glide, gym, and inverted rowing modes. This makes it perfect for users looking to mix up their workouts and target different muscle groups. The machine features 2 levels of resistance and 3 adjustable handle positions, making it customizable for all fitness levels. It supports users up to 265 pounds and boasts a compact, foldable design for easy storage. The ergonomic seat and adjustable foot straps ensure a comfortable and secure workout, while the LCD monitor tracks metrics like time, distance, and calories burned. The only drawback is that the resistance mechanism, which uses elastic ropes, may not provide the same level of intensity or smoothness as magnetic systems. However, the machine's versatility and additional workout modes more than make up for this limitation. It's ideal for users who want a complete home gym experience without investing in multiple pieces of equipment. Pros include its multifunctionality, adjustable design, and sturdy build. Cons are the lower resistance intensity and slightly higher price point compared to single-mode rowers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best rowing machine for your home gym. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments which rowing machine you're considering, or if you have any questions. We'll catch you in the next one.